G'day, I'm a swift parrot and I'm... Wait, are you zoomed in on me? I'm a pretty small guy. Oh, you don't know how? Okay, give me a sec. Huh. Where's the zoom on this thing? Oh, g'day. Here it is. Yeah, just use that. Whee! Dance, dance, pose. Did it work? Good. Hi, I'm a swift parrot and I'm critically endangered. I was first listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature in 2015. I breed in Tasmania and migrate to New South Wales and Victoria in the winter. A few things about me. Well, I'm the fastest parrot in the world, hence my name. I was named Australian Bird of the Year by BirdLife Australia and The Guardian Australia in 2023. Did I mention that I'm critically endangered? According to biologist and swift parrot expert Dejan Stojanovic, there's a direct link between logging and our declining numbers. As the native forests shrink and our viable nesting and breeding spots decrease, the opportunities for sugar gliders to find and eat us increase. At the rate we're going, we could be extinct in under 10 years. Sugar gliders, which are an introduced species, pose a greater threat to us in areas that have been logged. The research is clear. For swift parrots to survive, we need to stop the logging. It's not just me that's under threat. The logging in the native forests of Tasmania threatens countless endangered, vulnerable and critically endangered species, including the masked owl, the azure kingfisher, the wedge-tailed eagle, the spotted-tailed quoll, the Tasmanian devil, and the giant freshwater crayfish. Support us by writing to the Australian Prime Minister and the Tasmanian Premier. Ask them to permanently end the logging of Tasmania's native forests and commit to the protection of the swift parrots. Contact info for both are in the description below, or above, depending on where you're watching this. They'll be updated as needed until action is taken to protect us and our homes. You can also help us by donating to or volunteering with organisations like the Bob Brown Foundation, who in mid-2024 staged a 39-day protest in the Takina-Tarkine forest to keep loggers from tearing trees down. Other great charities that have actively supported us include BirdLife Australia and the Wilderness Society. Please take action to save us from extinction. Once we're gone forever.